What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Don't mind me. I got to log in, guys. Got to log into accounts, guys. Okay, guys. Thanks, guys. Sorry for the late start. I do not like starting this late, but shit happens. Shit happens. And shit was happening. All right. That's everything. That's everything, guys. I didn't even post my link in the fucking chat yet. In the fucking Discord. In the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. Anyway, anywho, I think I need to restart my laptop. I don't know. Not today, though. Not today. No, 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 not today. Not now, at least. I was on the phone with customer support for a washing machine I bought. So we bought the trailer, right? We got the trailer. We closed on the trailer on October 2nd. And then we moved into the trailer November 29th. We started moving in. And obviously we bought new appliances, including a washer and dryer. So we get this Maytag Pet Pro, but the washer and dryer combined with the fucking extended warranty and all that shit was boom, look at that shit. Boom. Boom. Was how much was it? Like 2,600 plus. And then not even 7 months into having the washer, it stopped working. First of all, it was a piece of shit to begin with. It had the fucking agitator. My wife wanted the agitator really bad. She thought she was going to like it. It turned out to be a piece of shit. And like, even that one, like the fucking, like, for whatever reason, blankets, like it couldn't, like if the weight was not, if the weight on whatever you had in there wasn't perfectly distributed, it was a fucking piece of shit. And then it stopped working completely. The user interface, the UI, the fucking screen, the motherboard, the brain of the whole fucking thing stopped working. That was like the beginning of June. And naturally, we all know how this shit plays out. Even if they are to repair it in a timely manner, it's not getting fixed for fucking 2 or 3 weeks. So it was a fucking perfect excuse to go buy a new washer and dryer. You can't have mismatching washers and dryers, right? Right? So that's what we ended up doing. Bought LG. So the fucking repair guy comes on the 15th of June and says, yeah, you need a new UI. Great. So whatever. Order the part. They order the part. They said it'll be there in a couple of weeks. They'll pop that shit in, and then I'll fucking sell the washer and dryer set online, on like Facebook or some shit. Because I'll actually get decent money for it because it's still under manufacturer's warranty. The shit's brand new, barely used, right? It's only not even 7 months old. And it has on top of that another 5 years of coverage. Here we are, it's fucking July 21st, and I still have yet to get the part. It's on back order. So I was on the phone dealing with that shit. What if I wasn't fortunate or blessed or whatever to be able to buy another fucking washer? Because that shit's a lot of fucking money. But what if I wasn't able to? I'd be going to the fucking laundromat and I would have spent just as much money on fucking laundromat fucking, costs to fucking wash clothes for fucking 6 people. Actually, a lot of times 7 people because my son's girlfriend's always here. And he's always washing her clothes. You know what I mean? Who the fuck does that? So I had to call and deal with that shit. Anyway, here's my fucking Tradeday account. Here's my fucking trade day account. I didn't trade those yet. I didn't trade my Apex account yet, but I did hear back from them about my payout request, and it's being processed. Thanks for reaching out. I'm confirming your pre-split request of 1101, 990 after fees, after the 990-10 split. Cool. Congratulations again on your payout. So I'm guessing for the I'll be able to trade next session. And I'm glad I didn't get to trade because I'm a fucking idiot. Let me show you some shit I did today. Let me show you. Well, here's my Tradeify account. I hit the daily loss limit on this. And the fucked up part is I was in short. Look, I was in short here. And I had like 280 bucks after getting shaken out. And then what does it do? What do? I go against it. And it goes down and hits it blows through what I had as my take profit. What was my take profit? Did I not have a take profit? I might not have had a take profit on it. Am I in the wrong account? No, I'm not. But look, it just kept going down and down and down and down. And then what do? I go against it. I'm an idiot. I'm a fucking idiot. I almost get back to break even here, and then I go fucking long, and it fucking drops. I go long again, thinking it's gonna push, and it drops again, and then there it is. So like, this is my funded growth account that had a $600 day on the first day, and then I do this, and then my fucking select eval, I blew that. Same. You know what happened with the select eval? It was like right here. No, where was it? It was right around here. It was somewhere around here. I was in short, and I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't even looking. My take profit was like somewhere here. It just missed hitting it. Let me see if I can find that screenshot. It was so fucking annoying. I wasn't paying. It came all the way back, and I blew the account. I ended up fucking blowing the account. But I would have had $1,000. I did have $1,000. And shit like this, shit like this. Look, this is, the same typical fucking bullshit. I don't want to talk saying that it always happens, but it happened today. That's all. Right here. Oh yeah, here it is. Look. So I was in this short. I wasn't paying attention. I missed all of this. It just missed my take profit by fucking. When was that? Let's see. Oh, you fucker. It had to be around here. Yeah. It was right. Yeah. So it went down. Yeah, it was 7 points away from my take profit. And at that point, I was over 1,000. I was up over $1,000. So that sucks. And then the only other shit I traded was my take profit trader yesterday and got a flip day in. But I did manage on the new account. I did manage to get my $1,200 day basically. Because with Tradeify on the selects, it's a 40% consistency rule on the Tradeify select evaluations. So if you do the math and you need to get to 3,000, 40% of 3,000, 1,200. If you want to play that game where you're just trying to get as much as you can without violating the consistency rule, which is a game I like to play. By the way, if you put in code 0DayJ, you will get 40% off Tradeify accounts. Yes, I have a code now. That's actually why I wasn't fucking paying attention, because I was getting some shit prepared for them. They asked for some shit. But that's okay. Use my code 0DayJ next time you grab a Tradeify account if you want to support the channel. If you feel like supporting the channel. Obviously, you guys are here, but a lot of people have been asking me, and I know some of you on here were asking me when I'll ever get a code with Tradeify, and now I have one. All right, guys? It's the best fucking code. Now, let's see what the fuck we could do here. I can't. Oh, let me show you Apex. Oh, I showed you Apex already. So I'm not going to touch Apex yet, right? I'm not touching Apex until my balance goes to 3,100, until they take out that payout. So they probably request it. I don't know how it works. They got to process it. I'm not going to fuck this up. I don't like the way this shit's moving anyway. So that's that. So we're going to fuck with our trade day accounts. All right, chat? Thanks, chat. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. This shit is whack. Shit is wiggity whack. Who's out here, though? Who the fuck is out here? Let's see who's out here. It's just amazing if I would just fucking hold some trades, man. Well, I did. I got penalized for holding a trade. I trade. Willie trades futures. Just my style. Konija. Hey, where the fuck have you been? Hanging out with other streamers? Tony Gold, Umar, Marcin, Chase, Kenny, Vivian, Nayo, Gian Rich, TTA, TJP, Dips and Peaks, Casa List, Florida Bossman, Mob Barley, Hotshot, Sean, JP, Marco, Stephen Cox. Yo, we didn't take it off. We didn't take the agitator off. She just hated it. You know what it was doing? The agitator was like ripping up her clothes. Like it was like a lot of like she started getting holes in like her shirts and shit, which is crazy. So the LG we have does not have an agitator. It has this other thing. LG washer. It has this other thing. Which one did we get? And the fucked up part about the LG washer and dryer set, it ended up costing like $600 more. I'm so mad I could fucking scream. It's nice though. Which one is it? It's got a thing in it. It's got a thing, they call it. It's a top loader. Load this. Where's the button? Oh, they call it an impeller. It's got an impeller. Some shit at the bottom. Where's the fucking button? Also, if you look at the longer time frame, the larger time frame, I mean, we kind of, if you go by this high and this low, we did get past the 618 by a little bit, and now it's working its way down. So, interesting spot for a fucking reversal, though. Interesting, guys. Who else is here? Who else is here? Pika Nasharika, Casa Lisk, compile this. Krista Boucher, Mama said this price action is the devil, Bobby. Shit never gets old, at least for me. Never gets old for me. Maximus, Bowser, Jack Boom, Ron, Isaac, Olivier, Tony Gold, V33, Zero Day J NFTs soon. Carlos, what up? Foster, Titus. Good to see you as well. Fireflame. 2K payout with Top Step. Fuck yeah. When is my Tradeify TV appearance? I don't know, Vinny Lee. I don't know if they'll ever invite me on. If I start racking up payouts with them, maybe they'll let me on. La Chaos. Eric J. Psychic. Maximus. The LGBTQ Marcin. Full Tilt. You done hanging out with other streams? Okay, cool, man. Thank you. Thank you. Jonathan Trentwell. I'm a top loader too. Giggity. Oh! Broseph. Yeah, when is Netflix? Netflix is tomorrow or Thursday? Hold on. Why are my dogs going fucking berserk? Tesla went tomorrow, yeah. So, hey, today we got Alaska Airlines, okay? We got Alaska Airlines today. Be ready. But tomorrow we got Tesla and Google and IBM and Texas Instruments. I feel like Texas Instruments does some shit too, but really it's about these two, Tesla and fucking Google. And then Thursday you got Intel. That might do a little something. But anyway, let's see what oh my God. You piece of shit. All right, guys. We'll put an order here. And we'll put an order here. And fuck. We'll see what happens. This shit really pisses me the fuck off, though. Because I was in, I would have been fine here, around here. You know what I mean? But, you know, or this. Look how it look. Also, it's like it's always the same shit. And when it happens, this is what happens. The next fucking candle goes lower. Why don't I just recognize that and fucking hold? I'm getting better every day. I'm getting better at that and everything else when it comes to trading and just everything in life. Every day, in every way, I'm getting better and better. Fuck! Come down here and film me! Broseph, Simplistic, Bullhead Mike, Investars, Tyler. Tyler's interested in hearing more about my loads. Alfred, Netflix was last week? Wait, what? Oh, that's what I meant. Tesla and Google. Netflix was last week. I meant, I said Netflix and then I loaded this up and said Tesla and Alphabet. But my bad. My bad, Alfred. Turbo. Oh, you guys must have been going fucking crazy. Simplistic. Spain stayed in a hotel here in Montclair, and after the game at MetLife, I bet it was pandemonium. Last year, before month of July, I was up 89K in payouts, but ever since July till today, zero. But I'm taking, hey, that's the start. Hey, Olivier, the fucking floodgates are going to open for you. I'm telling you. You just needed to get that shit out of the way. You broke the dry spell. I can't believe I didn't get, oh, you fuck. I can't believe I didn't get fucking filled. Well, I can believe it. Way to break the dry spell. TTA. Yes, these are trade days. ELTD. ELTD, that's how you know it's trade day. I don't remember what the fundeds look like, but this is trade day. It looks like Elite Trader. So a lot of people get that confused, but it's not. How am I doing? I'm doing fucking great. GB, what up? Colby! Can't wait for Anal's earnings today. Tyler can't wait for anal earnings. Is that what you're saying, Maximus? What is this shit? UK's PM Burnham approves use of UK bases for some U.S. strikes on Iran. Iraq's Erbil airport resumes flights after temporary suspension. Iraq's oil minister to the agreements with U.S. companies will add significant production capacity and investment in associated gas. Iraq's oil minister, the country's production capacity is at 4.8 million barrels of oil per day. Remember when they were fucking trying to scare us into fucking believing that like we're going to run out of oil one day? They're producing 4.8 million barrels a day at this one fucking location. I don't think it's going to be a problem. There was a whole fucking documentary about it. This guy was the, so sinister. Turbo, it's 40% off with anybody's code. But my code is the best. Yeah, peak. Is that what it was, trading stock? I remember like the last boss I ever had was watching that shit and was like, oh my God. I'm like, yeah. Back then, I mean, I was just getting into all the conspiracy shit. Yeah, I guess that guy was wrong. He was wrong. Yeah, peak oil, yeah. Just like they call it fossil fuels. They call it fossil fuels because that makes it sound like there's a limit. It's limited. They're saying it's all based on fucking a bunch of dead dinosaur bones turning into fucking oil. Okay, sure. 40% turbo no matter what. Put my code in because it's the best fucking code. 40%, no activation fee. Just don't use the in-house code. Don't use their code. Any prop firm's in-house code is dog shit. It's got the lowest pass rate, the lowest payout rate, and the slowest payout rate. Trump was on stage with Spain. No, I didn't see it. I don't watch any of this shit. I don't give a fuck anymore. Armando, what up? Well, Ron, that's your fault. That's not my fault. That's your fault, Ron. Take some responsibility. Thanks for fucking up my pass rate. And you know what? I don't think you did buy 20. I think you're just saying that. But if you did, I appreciate it. Thank you. I can't believe, oh my God. Couldn't come down another 4 points before it fucking bounced 30, 40. Piece of shit. You just reminded me something, actually. Fuck. YouTube age restricted my content. Why? How did this shit get age restricted already? What the fuck? I'm still streaming. Nudity and sexual content policy at 519. What the fuck? Fuck out of here. I gotta see what the fuck I said at 519. How 519. Oh, because we were talking about fucking loads, probably. We were talking about loads. We're talking about loads of laundry, you fucking dumb fucks at YouTube. Fuck. Big tick. Yeah, some fucking jerk off's flagging my shit. That's why. Hey, I can't tell the difference between a fucking creamy, warm, creamy load and a fucking load of fucking laundry. What a fucking joke. Dream Chaser. Cut. You guys are always getting me in trouble. Blackout News Network. I'm not liking it. Blackout News Network. I'm not enjoying this price action. Shit just went up fucking 40 fucking points without me. Guys are getting me in fucking trouble. Where's the button? Fucking bullshit. Anyway, it's getting fucking hot in here. See, I need the fan. I need the fan to run to circulate the fucking air in this thing. I'm so annoyed. I miss getting filled here, but I'm not surprised. Not surprised in the least, chat. So let's make a fucking mistake here. We'll just wait. For what? I don't know. I don't know, chat. Let's zoom in a little bit more on this, shall we? Hold on a sec. What does it want to do? Let's see. The U.S. to set new tariffs on trading partners, citing forced labor on Friday with a stopgap to expire. Well, that just happened. I thought tariffs were bad. That's so 2000 and late. This, I mean, we rejected off the 618, but is it going to hold here? I don't know. I don't know, chat. Gian Rich, Nayo. Oh, I think I said what's up to you guys. I'm way up in the chat. Oh. Yo, I don't have a lot of tabs open. What are you talking about? What tabs? I got to close some of those out. You guys are right. This is why I didn't want to go short, but damn. Damn. Yeah. Let's see if the 7-8. Well, it's not going to get there. Well, we're getting in for FOMO. Am I even going to get filled? I can't get filled on shit. This Mac should be able to handle it. Fibonacci, what up? I could have, TTA and anybody else who's commenting on my fucking lag over here, my Chrome tabs. I could have 3 Chrome tabs open and the camera will still lag at some point. This laptop is due for a restart. I'm doing research. Oh. Okay. Cool. Look at that. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. Felix, what up? Trevor LeConte's here. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Watch this. Let's see. Oh, maybe I am using a lot. I mean, obviously, Chrome is fucking killing it. But still, even without all these tabs, I could have fucking a third of the tabs open and the same shit would happen. I'll get rid of the tabs when I'm fucking good and ready, all right? Slick Rick, what up? Yeah, that's why the take profit never registers. Oh my God. Fuck this price action for real. Fuck this. Oh, I know, Alfred. I know. I know you just messed with me, but I do have a fuck ton of tabs open. Believe me, I don't like having all these tabs open. I was doing a lot of research, and when you're doing research, you just leave shit open. Well, I don't know, maybe you guys don't, but I do. Oh yeah, doesn't look like it's cucking right now. Keep pushing down, maybe. Let me get rid of all these fucking. Yeah. NJ. Yeah, lots of research. Learning about shit. Learning about your vagus nerve. Is this the right spot? Is this the upper the VWAP band? Oh my God, of course. The upper the fucking VWAP band. Always, always, always. You piece of shit. Colby, how many tabs do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Shit. Uh-oh. Well, there's your answer, Colby. The upper the VWAP band. That is the up. Where's the fucking VWAP? Way down here, guys. Drop this shit. This was nice. Nice little 786 rejection for how many fucking points? 165 points. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's see what happens. I mean, I have a feeling it's going to go up. But we'll see. Oh! I'm glad it went down. Please keep going down. Damn it. No, it's going up. That was like 20. I mean, I was up 21 points. You know what's fucked up? If I left my order here, it would have gotten filled. That order would have gotten filled, and then I would have fucking had $900. What do I need now? 22, 20, 41, 41, 41, 20, 21, 19, 18. Can we fill this? Can we fill this wick? Can we fill the wick? Just made $12 to make them holla. Logan, what up? Yeah. It just fucking was like a slow, annoying grind. Uh-oh. Fill the wick, please. What? Anything gets said here? Top U.S. General Canine Iran. The war has cost $37.5 billion so far. Great. I'm so glad I got to contribute towards that. Like I give a fuck. Come on. Come on. Fill that wick. Fill that John Wick. Please. Please fill the wick. Please. Please. Yeah, nobody comes here to learn how to trade. I can tell you that, Turbo. They come here to unwind. Glenvale. Glenvale. Oh, shit. Troy. Yeah, it was pretty bad today. It was pretty fucking bad. Monica. Going to pump maybe. I feel better now. I just wanted to fill this fucking wick. It's just funny because if I would have left that order, that short order here, I would have gotten $900 on that drop, of course. But you know, why the fuck would I do that? Fill this, fill this junk. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. That's supposed to be bad news. $37 billion. We all know he's lying. It's probably $100 billion. Fill that wick. Please. Bacon. Fuck. I don't know. I don't know. Please. This fucking wick is fucked. Not a good thing for shorts, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. Drop it. Yeah, I trade. I hit the daily loss limit on my Tradeify fucking growth funded account after being up like 280 and getting shaken out, and then instead of holding, not holding, just doing the usual shit I've done so many times in the past. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I'm getting better every day. Every day in every way, I'm getting better and better. Yeah, see, this right here is like, upward pressure, I guess. This fucking wick like that. I wanted it to come down and fill the wick. It still might, but it's not looking great. I can tell you that much. This fucking 54-minute candle is gonna fuck me. What a fucking cocksucker, bro. Well, there's the 786. Was it going to push for fucking new highs? Let's go. Fill my fucking order right here. Fill it. Nope. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. No. Please. Fucking piece of shit. Let's go. Time to fucking fill this the bottom of this wick. Right here. Right here. I'm pulling on it. I'm tugging on it. I'm giving this fucking candle a tug job right now. Am I allowed to say that? Is that going to be a fucking problem too? God, I can't even fucking joke around. Oh my God. Fucking cocksucker, bro. Get the fuck down there. Fucking sweating in here. It's just not going to fucking give me what I want. I actually had what I want here and I fucked it up because I moved my order. But I mean, at this point, I was up how much? How many points? 12. I was up $480. You know, it's just the shit I do. You know, it's what I get for fucking around at this time of day. All right, be good, Turbo. Get a load of this guy. Can we even say that anymore? Can I say get a load of this guy? Or is that going to be a fucking problem too? J Min, yeah, these are evals. These are evaluations. Trade day evaluations. Oh my God. It just looks like it wants to push up. But I'm just going to stay in the short anyway, because why the fuck not? Because that's, you know, because that's what the best trader in the world, according to Warren G. Buffett, would do. Fuck me, man. Because I know as soon as, like, if I stay in the trade, it's going to pump. If I get out of the trade, as soon as I get out of the trade, it's going to drop. So I'm fucked either way. Give it up. It's not going to. It's just going to, I mean, this is garbage. This is garbage price action. How hard can it be to get a 20-point drop here? Say something stupid. Say something stupid. Fill this fucking wick. Jesus Christ. Warren G. Buffett. Yeah, I trade, of course. Yeah, trading stock has been awful. But I was seeing it good, and then my execution was so bad. I wasn't paying attention half the time, or I would go against what I thought was going to happen after getting shaken out. Shit that I used to do a lot. I'm doing it less, but it's still, you know, I'm still working through that shit. Should you sell your SpaceX shares? What'd you buy them at? Trader J. Have I ever traded ES? Here and there, but it does the same shit. It does the same shit. ES. What's ES doing? Well, I can't fucking see it. Don't worry, I'm gonna get mine. It looks the same. Oh, maybe not. It looks the fucking same to me. Well, damn, look at this fucking chop. Looks pretty much the same. Oh my God, fill that fucking wick. Let's go, John Wicket. John Wicket. Fill that fucking wick. Fill that fucking wick, you. Oh my God. Let's. Oh, it wants it. Give it. Hey, we fucking did it, Joe. Oh, what's going on here? 37.5 billion spent on the fucking war. Oh my God. You bought it at 135? You see, guys? I wasn't worried at all. I was 100% confident. I wonder if it bounces around here. Wasn't worried at all. Tony Gold. Yo, Granny dropped her panties for me. Well, let's see. Oh, we're going to fucking, oh my God, we're going to fucking dump a Rooski now. Granny gave it up. I got to clear all these out. Granny gave it up. Okay. Nice little fucking drop there. 52, 60-point drop. Pound that confetti like roast beef. We like to say pound it like roast beef. Is that going to be a fucking problem? I got to lose money on purpose now. Yeah. Good enough. You see, guys? Yeah. It looks like a flash crash on a 5-second chart. 5-second chart. Let's see. You guys ready? Holy shit, it fucking dumped. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Let me lock myself out before I do something stupid. Did my balance update on Apex? My balance has not yet updated on Apex. Hold, short from 350? Damn, bro. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. A 1,000 cell order came in. That was Baron. You see, guys, it's how you yeah. ES is not dropping that much. I'm glad I wasn't trading ES. Who wants to fucking trade this shit either? Who wants to trade Cuck? No one likes trading Cuck. ES seems like it's lagging behind. So that would have been 7 points with 2 minis. It's, what is it, 12 and a half? It's 50 points, $50 a point. Yeah, I wouldn't have even gotten my $900 yet. Fuck that. I'm good. Obviously, just like the losses, the gains are bigger on the NQ, so the losses, guys. Trade oil for the moves. I was enjoying trading oil, but now, I was trading oil when it was really moving, but now it seems like it picked up. I mean, it's only up. It's only in a, was that like a 6% range? Guys. I trade all fucking day. We waited all day for that. Well, if you Troy, like crude, it's a tick. So there's 100 ticks per dollar. Yeah, it's 100 ticks per dollar. Every tick is 10. Every tick is 10 points. $10, I think, per mini. Yeah, I mean that works. That could work great in your favor. It could also work not good, not so great, not in your favor. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's not a lot. It was only It was only a 60-point drop. We dropped from 52 to fucking 88. Well, it's still going down. Hot shot. Yeah. I mean, I got out when my take profit got here, but that's besides the point. But yeah, we dropped another 30 points. Yeah. So bullhead, you know the trick, right? You got to trade ZB. But you got to go back in though. You got to go in, and if you want to lose money on purpose, go back into your risk settings. Yeah, it fucking blew past the fucking thing. But you got to go back in and turn it off, turn the daily profit trigger off, and then go to ZB. ZB will you'll lose $35 per round trip per mini per contract. $35 per round trip. ZN is like 15 or 17. Those are great. And if you want to be real aggressive, you could probably do HO, you'll fucking lose like 200. Oh, look at Troy. Got the data. 3 closes below non-farm payroll level of 29,333. 86% chance we will not get 1% above the NFP high, 30,230 till at least August. Back tested 16 years. Yeah, damn. Thanks for sharing that information, bro. Bullhead Mike, no problem. The only thing you're going to worry about is I don't know what you're trading, right? If you're trading an intraday, if it's an intraday trailing account, just know that you're going to lose $200 a drawdown. If it's end of day, you're good. You're going to lose that much, but you're also $1,100 over what you started the day with. Troy, are you trading with prop firms yet? Because you can make them your bitch, bro. with that kind of experience. Did I say that out loud? Yo, Bowser. That's a good fucking week, bro. That's you know what I mean? Keep both. Keep both as long as you can stand to. Yeah, Troy. It's just different. The whole prop firm game is just different because you can't trade. Every prop firm that I trade with will not let you hold into the close. So you can't swing into the next session. So there's that. It's just different. Because of the targets and all this shit, you got to be a little bit more of a degenerate. And like you'll start finding that like with evals, you're gonna over time you're just gonna want to get them over with as quickly as possible. So you're gonna do shit like this, or you might, I don't know, you might not. Maybe you're probably much more disciplined than me, but like I just want to get as much as I could get in any session without running into without violating the consistency rule. Because if you go over the consistency rule, then you got to fucking get more. So in Tradeday's case, they have a 30% consistency rule on these accounts. The profit target to pass the evaluation is 3,000. So that's why I always go for 900 on these. So I try to get 900 on the first 3 days. And then the fourth day I'd go for, whatever's left. Yeah. See, Hotshot's another one that's been trading for a long time and then fucking going into prop firms. Another thing I will recommend you don't do, Troy, once you get the hang of it, is like on prop firm accounts that like you need to just get X amount of profit to take a certain type of payout. You don't need to run them up to fucking 40 grand for shits and giggles. There's no point in running any of these up unless it's like a My Fund and Futures Pro account or unless or until you go live because that's like trading your personal account. Exactly, Colby. Me too, bro. I just want to get them the fuck over with. I've been like that for a long time. Elmy, what up? Elmy's getting tired of it. Value, what up? So, and like Troy, you got to look at it this way. Like, obviously, I'm not that well versed in trading. I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good at trading. I've gotten better, and I'm getting better every day. But I tell people all the time, if I could fucking become a profitable prop firm trader, which I am, since December, it took me 2 years and 4 months, 2 years and 3 months to become a profitable trader. If I can fucking do it, then anybody can, especially someone with some real fucking hardcore experience. 25K Bullinox at 52K right now. Oh my God, bro. Trader Wiz. Just running that shit the fuck up. Hotshot, yeah. My discipline is getting better every day. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, we just need to be good prop traders. It's more of a game. It's gamified, You got to play for keeps. You got to play to win. It's all that matters with prop firms is payouts. With prop firm trading. Is the Apex sale over today? I don't know. Is it? It might be. Amon, what up, man? I didn't trade it because I requested my second payout from it. Oh, that's my Tradeify account. I requested my second payout from it, and they haven't withdrawn the balance yet. They did confirm it though. So here's the account. I'd like to request $1,101 from account, blah, 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 blah. This is how I have to do it with them through support as of right now. Thanks for reaching out. I'm confirming your pre-split request. So like probably tomorrow I'll be able to trade it, next session. But this is my second payout. So I got 966 on the first one, and I got 990 on this one. Let's just say 991 because it was 966 and change. So $1,957 in payouts from my live Apex account. And I still will have $3,100 of drawdown. So I honestly, like, everybody was again. People are so quick to shit on Apex, but look, it makes sense. They wanted me to. I had to get to 3,100 is the safety net. That's the buffer they wanted me to build it to, and then from there, a minimum of $500 I could request. So I needed to get to at least $3,600 in profit to request at least 500. I got over 1,000 twice, and I requested. They took that split, but both times I'm going to be like this, just like this one about to happen. But the last one, I was left with $3,100. That's a great amount of drawdown. Who wouldn't want $3,100 of drawdown right now? On the other live accounts I had with My Funded Futures, Lucid, I mean, I fucked the Lucid up so bad. It was just me being a greedy fuck. I was at $3,000 in profit, and I could have requested 1,000. I probably could have requested more, but if I would have requested 1,000, I still have $2,000 left over, which is a good amount to work with. But it's not that much. How many times have you withdraw down? Anybody that trades with Take Profit Trader, 50K, you withdraw down to 2,000, and that 2,000 disappears. Or any account like that. 3,100 is a lot of drawdown to work with. If you lose $3,100 in a day on an account, you're you really fucked up. You can get a payout every day, but I still haven't gotten the money from the first one. You know what I mean? So, it still takes time. I'm going to check right now. I haven't even looked. Oh, happy little 707 bounce right there, guys. 20 points. All right, let's see what the fuck. Did I get my money yet? No, not yet. Hopefully it doesn't take as long as, sim payouts, but whatever. If it does, it does. I'll get my money when I get my money. But look, I mean, that was the first request. This is the second request. And then here's the first request. Here it is. I would like, just confirm it. It was 1,073, 966.31. So yeah, 966.31 plus 990.90, 990.90, 1957.21. That's what's coming my way. And then I got this fucking bonus too. If I could hold on to this account until August 15th. Now, the fact that I'm going to be chilling with $3,100 of drawdown at all times, like at least to start the session in between payouts and shit, or after payouts, I feel like I have a better chance of having this on August 15th than any other live account I ever had. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see, chat. What is the point of trading prop from Live Capital? If that's the only way I could trade with them, why wouldn't I? I mean, yeah, that's fine. Dark mode, I'm with you, bro. But if I would like to continue trading with Apex, the only option I had was to trade live with them. And they gave me money to do it with. So why wouldn't I? And I also have these, what are these things called? I got money sitting in my fucking, where is it? I got this money sitting in here. I got $6,900 that I could also get paid over time if I'm able to hold on to this account. But if I wanted to continue trading with Lucid, if I wanted to continue trading with My Fund the Futures, if I wanted to continue trading with Tradeday, and I wanted to continue trading with Apex, that's what I had to do. Unfortunately, I blew the Tradeday, I blew the fucking My Fund the Futures, and I blew the Lucid. So I'm able to trade sim funded with them again. But I'm still waiting for my cool down period on My Fund the Futures and Lucid. Sim is better than live. But I'm not just going to say, oh, no, I'm done with that prop firm. Why would I do that? I think that's stupid. Yeah, dark mode, exactly, bro. But you want it, right? So you're going to fucking trade it. They could take 10%. I don't care. You know what I mean? Yo, XXX show, what up, man? Yeah, I mean, it's all a matter of preference. That's the best part about all of this. You guys have options. If you don't want to go live, just know that if you decline to go live with a firm that pushes you live because you've been trading that firm well, then just understand that you're done with them. That's it. And you can never trade with them again. So I made a choice, a conscious decision that I would like to continue trading with these firms that push me live. So I went and got the live account. I don't care. It is what it is. And it's their money. I didn't put any money in the account. They put money in the account. Yo, Alan Rose, what up, man? What are we going to do here? What are we going to do? I feel like I need more coffee. But let me look at something. Yo, Dark Mode, you still here? Why did you end up with 40K in your Top Step Live account? Is that because fucking you ran that shit the fuck up and then got max payouts? This is why, if that's the case, that's why I tell people not to run their accounts up. That's the exact reason. I got a bunch of rebuilds coming through on Bullinox. Might as well get another one right now. Trying to sound like the guy from fucking Billy Madison. All right. This shit ain't moving much. So we're good on trade day. We're good on fucking Take profit trader. This is day 3. I need 2 more days to pass, but obviously I'm over the target, so I'm basically flipping at this point. I fucked up my Tradeify fucking funded account. Nothing I can't or haven't rebounded from in the past, but I'm still annoyed about it because all I had to do was just hold my short or just not trade anymore because I had my $150 day in. But whatever. That's what happens when greed kicks in and you fucking, the market is behaving the way it is. But I was right. I'm about to short. But I got this new eval after blowing the other one because I wasn't paying attention and I fucked that up. But I got this new one up $1,200. So we'll see. And then I did not touch my Apex account because I'm waiting for the money to be withdrawn. And that's all I have right now. But then again, I just got this fucking new Bullinox. Let's see, guys. Let's see if it's in here. Let's fucking see. Not yet. These are all old blown accounts that are still in here because I didn't cancel the subscription. Look at that. Give me that account. Give me that fucking account. By the way, Bullinox is 89% off with no activation fee. Tradeify, 40% off. They don't have an activation fee. And you could use code 0DayJ to save 40% on any size account with Tradeify. My code works with them. Take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation fee. Apex, 90% off. When is the Apex shit going away? It might be ending today. I don't fucking know. They're habitual sale extenders. So 90% off might be going away today. What I'm more concerned about is if the right now, any intraday trailing account that with an activation fee, any intraday trailing account has a $59 lifetime activation fee, which is really good. $59 on the 150Ks, that's a steal, especially if you pass 5, you get like a 5-pack. You're all in with 150Ks for, $110 each or whatever. 50Ks, you're all in for 19 and 59, $78. That's pretty good. And then they have this deal going right now. Also, I don't know when this expires. I have to check my email. Let me check my email, guys. Apex, guys. But 50K intraday trailing with no activation fee, all in for $49 with the best fucking code. Normally it was more, and the only way you could get them for $49 was if you bought a 5-pack. Everything else is pretty much the same. But there you go. Use the best code 0DayJ. Lucid, 40% off pro accounts, no more daily loss limit, 30% off Flex and straight to funded. My funded futures, 50% off on Rapid, Pro, and Bob the Builder accounts. Oh, shit. Apex. My name is Alex, and I'm the digital marketing director at Apex Trader Funding. And I wanted to reach out because we'd love to feature your trading journey on our social media channels. Oh, I think I'm going to do that. Are you sure? I'm going to ask him, are you sure? You sure you want me to be featured? I'm going to post it in the chat. Hey, chat. Hey, guys. Look, guys. Oh, fuck. There we go. Look at this. Hey, guys. Are you sure? I'll take it. It's just if they're gonna be posting me on their YouTube channel, I'll say yeah, as long as I can say to fucking use the best fucking code 0DayJ, right? Or at least tell them my channel. Obviously, they're not gonna let me promote my own code, but let me at least push my channel. Let's see. This Bullinox shit ready yet? Let's see. There it is. What do we want to do? I don't know what I want to do here. Leo, what's up? You see, guy Michael Giannos, what up? It's supposed to be 50 all in. It is. It's $49 all in. It's better than 50. Come out. Look. 50K intraday with activation fee, the standard account. Oh wait, no, it's the intraday with the into the intraday with no activation fee. $49 all in. It's better than 50. The intraday 50K trailing with no activation fee, all in $49. That's the big promotion. The intraday standard accounts, any size, has a $59 activation fee. Yeah, they fucking get you with that daily. You see, like, yeah, guess I don't think Apex has a daily loss limit on their funded accounts, on their live accounts. I mean, Leo, what's good? Armando, if you're going for the 5-day max payout, well, let's look. Let's look, guys. 50K intraday new account, right? The new shit. I'm just gonna assume Armando, that's the new shit. Stock, cars, and bets. What's good? That DLL, like, I think with Lucid, other firms, I mean, from what I've seen on sim funded accounts, the daily loss limit would fucking scale. It would grow as your fucking profit grew. Coach Fred, what up? Great Dane, what's good? What's 119? What's 119? I'm looking right at it. I was just looking at, hold on. We'll look at it again. New products, intraday drawdown accounts. The activation fee on what? Yeah, on the end of days, yeah. On the any intraday is $59. The end of day activation fees on Apex, they go up, they scale, they go up with the size of the account. But all the intraday activation fees are $59 right now for the time being. All right, so Armando, 26. No, that's the minimum balance request. Where's the fucking chart? Where's the fucking chart? All right, the max payout is $1,500 for the first payout on a 50K intraday. So you need to get to 3,600. 3,600. If you want to do it in 5 days and you want to split it evenly, 3,600 divided by 5, $720 a day. There is a 50% consistency rule, so maybe you do 1,800 in a day. I don't know. I don't want to fucking put any ideas in your head because that's a lot to ask for, 1,800 in a day. Not that it's not doable, but it's a lot. 720 a day is a lot. How hard can it be? But the first payout is 15. The max payout on the first 50K intraday is $1,500. So you need at least 3,600. You got to be 1,500 over the safety net, over the buffer. If you do the math, 2,100 plus 1,500 is 3,600. So that's what you want to do. You know what's crazy about that dark mode? It's a fucking live account. What the fuck do they care? Especially when you get your balance up a certain amount. You passed the 50K. Yeah, you know what? You probably grabbed it, Great Dane, when they were running a promotion. The fucked up part is like 30 days. 30 days, I think after 30 days, you're shit out of luck or some shit with the new thing. Yeah, Armando, that's good. 750. Remember, the consistency rule is 50%. So, like, you could have had a bigger day if you wanted to, but at the same time, you could have fucked yourself. You could have given all that back. So, it's not the worst thing in the world. Amon. Yeah, it really all depends on your trading style, too. Who's got the best? Oh, man, stock, cars, and bets. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. It really depends on your trading style. If you prefer intraday or end of day, like, I don't know what you want. Maybe the question should be, who's got the best end of day trailing accounts right now? Who's got the best deal on end of day trailing? Or who's got the best deal on intraday trailing? Oh, Great Dane. That fucking sucks, man. Trade day 50K fast pass. Yeah, that's a good deal, but then, like trade day is 50% off right now. Any account is 50% off. You could get you could be all in with a 50K fast quick pay account, for $62.50. That's a fucking good deal. The fast pass is more. It's like what? What's the fast pass on the trade days? When you put in the best fucking code 0DayJ. Get funded now, guys. Fast pass 50K. $90 with a code. With my code. The best fucking code. That's a good account. You're basically buying a Lucid Flex. You're buying a Lucid Flex account for about the same price. Quick pay. Oh shit, they raised the prices. I guess are they not 50% off anymore? Oh, they raised the prices. Oh, that's end of day. Never mind. Quick pay end of day is $87. Quick pay end of day is $87. Intraday is 62. I think it's 62.50. Fast pass, all you get is end of day. You only get end of day. Quick pay, you have the choice of intraday or end of day on the evaluation. And then the funded side is end of day, just like Take Profit Trader. Fast pass is end of day on the eval side and the funded side. The best fucking code gets you 50% off. Accounts as low as 62.50, guys. Bowser, fuck yeah. The payout rules on quick pay. Yeah, it is interesting. It almost makes me feel like, although I always buy the 50Ks because I'm cheap, it makes me feel like the 150K is the account you want. This actually works out to be a better account than Take Profit Trader because you just got to get to you could still be taking payouts before you get to the buffer. You just take it at a 50-50 split below 4K. Anything below 4K is 50-50. Anything above 4K is 80-20 on the sim side. But that also applies for the 150K. The 150K is the account you want if you're looking for. It just depends on what you're looking for. And also, you could go with the intraday. I might get one of these, man, because it's still 175. For another $20, I get end of day. 9,000, $9,000 to fucking pass that shit. What are we looking at here? Oh, it did fucking bounce. 80. Oh, let's go. That's not even fucking the NQ. 85. It's not enough. Wouldn't have been enough. Fast pass is way better. It really depends. You can't get paid on day one with a fast pass. Armando, thank you, man. I appreciate it. And anytime. Bobby Digital. I think if you're asking about trade day, usually it's whenever you get over the buffer on any of these firms. You got to get over the buffer. Nice job, Hotshot. Yeah, Desmond, yeah, but with Take Profit Trader, if you do that, you're basically closing the account. We get it, Ron. We get it, Ron. Hey, put a 5 in the chat if you're still here with me. You just got to get the minimum payout. You got to get the minimum payout. Are you allowed to trade earnings with Trade Day? I believe so. They just don't want you trading red folder events. Hey, Tacticals here. JP, Laser Movie Clips, Chevy Flames, Pierre Luma, Johnny S. Cool. Saeed, what up? What are we doing here? Starter Plus. Jesus Christ. That's like a fucking throwback. Hey man, would you have you had a subscription that just kept rebilling? Those were good accounts. Chris Daly, what up? Those were good accounts. Coach Eddie. The 150 yeah, it's on the eval. I mean, if if you don't think you could pass it in less than 30 days, then and you don't want to pay another month of fees, then don't grab that one. I'm trying to pass these accounts as quickly as possible. If I still have an eval for more than 30 days, it means I forgot that I even had it. That's what that means. Yeah, they're good accounts. Canute, Slick Rick, the ruler. Yeah, they're good. I mean, I wanted to trade more, but by the time this is all that happened. So I finally caught this. I got 900 on these two accounts. Then we dropped a little more, came down to the 707 bounce, retested it, and now it's just been moving really fucking slow. And I wanted to trade more. I just don't know if I want to fuck with this. Great Dane, yeah, that's the best part about the prop firm space. There's always another option. There's always alternative firms you could trade with if you don't like trading with a certain firm. There's so many options. MC Hammer. Yeah, this shit, I don't know. I'll be fucking annoyed if this goes up. 84. That would be enough right there. I still don't know how much more this has in the tank. You know what I'm saying, guys? Gross. This is like fucking, yo, I'm about to go grab my pillow, take a little fucking nap. Fuck. This price action is so fucking annoying. Oh, look, a happy little 786. Stock cars and bets. The other 50% doesn't go to trade day. You just get 50% less. It's a sim funded account. You know what I'm saying? You just get 50% less. Just like when take profit trader. I requested on this one, $2,603.50 times 5. It was $13,000. I ended up with 10,414. Because they take 20%. They don't, it's just money they don't have to give me or you. That's all it is on sim funded. They're not taking it from anywhere. It's just they're not paying you it. Even rips. Oh, it just, what do you mean? It stays in your balance? Oh, yeah. So if you request 1,000, I know what you mean, stock, cars, and bets. So if you request $1,000 from Tradeday, 1,000 comes out of your account. Yeah, you have 1,000 less in your account, even though you only get paid 500. That's how every firm works. Take a fucking $1,000 payout on a Lucid Flex, which means you had 2,000 in the account, for example. You're going to be left with actually $900 of drawdown. That's what she said, Eddie and Hotshot. Oh! What are we doing? Oh, shit, it's fucking dumping. Yeah, they keep the 50%. That's basically them. You're basically getting penalized for taking money early. That's all that means. But they give you the opportunity to take it. So that's up to you. That's why I feel like the 150Ks are good accounts. But what do I know? Because, you know, on a 150K take profit trader, you need $4,500 just to get to the buffer to get anything. Well, I think you still got to, well, like, I think if you go down to 50,100, you lose, you know what I mean? That's where you lose the account. So it's really $100 less. But yeah, with the 90-10 split. Oh, zero balance? I don't know. I wouldn't. That's why you gotta figure out what you want to do. Why would you want to zero out your account? I feel like if you build an account to $1,000 and you have $2,000 of drawdown, and you request 1,000, you're going to be left with $1,000 of drawdown. Am I wrong? Is that not how it is with Tradeday? Coach Fred, I haven't heard anything. I haven't heard anything. I might be the leading payout receiver in Apex Live, guys. With my $1,957. Don't be fucking jealous, all right? Try not to be so fucking jealous. Oh, they took the money out. Oh, there it is. Time to start fucking trading. Carbonite, what up? Yeah, the market won a couple of times against me too. Yeah, GB, exactly. And Lucid is one of them also that does that. They moved the maximum loss limit down to you go to 50,100, you're cooked on the funded accounts. Yeah, you zero the account. That means you lose the account forever. And then you got to start all over again. Leo wants it to pump at fucking 4:44 p.m. We might get it. You guys ready? I don't trust this shit, man. Fuck this. But I did get my money from my Apex Live account. Oh, this didn't update yet. This didn't update yet, but Tradeify is updated. I could trade this fucker if I want to, but I'm not going to. I have some self-control. What could possibly go wrong? Thank you, Stock Cars and Bets. Yeah, it's my second payout. That's my second payout on the live account. On the live account, so many people said I was never going to get. I love just reminding people about that. I'm hoping to hold on to this thing for a while. The fact that you have to get over 3,100, I think is a blessing in disguise. Yeah, you got to grow the account more before you could get a payout. I had to get it to at least 3,600. That's what everybody has to do on a 50K, I guess. But the fact that I have this much drawdown is a fucking blessing. That shit goes a long way. Stock, cars, and bets. All right, man. Enjoy. Oh, by the way, if anybody's here and is not yet a member of the best community on these platform streets, the DGen fam, DCA gang, ZFG concepts, DGen Treehouse Discord group, it's free for now. Here's the link. How much is the starting balance on the live? It was 0. So I had to build it up to 3,100 in profit. I could lose $2,000, but yeah. I'm just looking at the Discord. So stupid. What am I able to unlock more? What? Coach Fred, unlock more what? What up, Josh? Well, like unlock more accounts? Oh. I already started unlocking it. Like this was the first, the bonus vault payout. Here we go. In addition to your live payout, you also receive, this was the first payout I requested. In addition to your live payout, you'll also receive a separate payout from your bonus vault. As a reminder, bonus vault payouts are processed on the 15th of the month, following the month in which your live account payout request was submitted, and the live account must remain in an active state to qualify for the bonus vault payout. The bonus vault payout is equal to 20%. I want to look at that. I want to look at the FAQ link, but the bonus vault payout is equal to 20% of your requested pre-split amount. If this live payout request was submitted during your first month of live trading, your bonus vault payout will instead be 40% of the requested pre-split amount. Now, is that 40% of the first request or all of them? Because now I'm at 1,073.68 plus, what was my second one? Hold on. 1,101. $2,174. 2,174 times 0.4. That would mean $869 if I'm reading it correctly, if I'm understanding it correctly. But I still have to have the account. I still have to hold on to the account. I still have to have the account on August 15th. And what I was saying earlier is I feel like I have a better chance of having this fucking account for a longer amount of time. I don't know if I'll be able to hold it on that long. That would be amazing because I have $3,100 of drawdown to work with at all times, at least after taking payouts. That's a lot more than 2,000. It's 50% more. Look, this shit ended up going lower. Look at that. What do you know, guys? From 305. So that is interesting. I want to see, though. I want to look at this. I want to look at this right here. The bonus vault is not, it's not live trading capital. It's not a bank account, brokerage account, cash account, trust account, or a separate account holding real funds. It's simply a tracked account that may be used to calculate potential bonus payouts based on your live with trading withdrawals and continue eligibility. Why did Apex? Blah, 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 blah. How is it calculated? When you move to live trading, Apex totals the eligible simulated profit balances from your open profitable performance accounts. That total becomes your bonus vault. Yeah. 5 per there. Yeah, cool. Live request, trader request 10,000. Trader receives 9,000 from live profits and Apex keeps 1,000. Trader is eligible for a 20% bonus vault based on the 10,000 requests, which equals 2,000. But the first month I get 40%. So that would be 4,000 if I did that much. That would be fucking crazy. But then the bonus vault goes away if you blow a live account 3 times. Or the risk manager will review the situation to determine whether an invitation will be offered for another round of the program. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, wait, the live account. I'm sorry. Guys, the live account started with a $3,000 end of day drawdown. They give you $3,000 a drawdown. That's better than every other live account I've had so far. Better than all of them. I started with $3,000 in drawdown. I totally forgot. So it doesn't matter now because I have $3,100 in the account. 79. Oh, shit, man. That would have been enough to pass if I fucking shorted full ported here. Full port shorted. Aid, what up? Bowser, probably, man. Joker, what up? I don't know. Let me see. Their site, they're always doing maintenance and their site goes down a lot, so it's very possible. I'm out. I'm logged out. I don't feel like logging back in, but the site is loading. The site is at least loading. Great Dane. We'll see, man. Bro, that would be fucking amazing. You know who held on to their fucking live accounts? They probably still have them, but I haven't seen them in a while. Fucking Neil. Neil who hangs out in our Discord. Fucking dude has 5 Pro Plus Take Profit Trader accounts that he ran the fuck up, and like literally every day would make thousands every fucking day. Just haven't seen them. Will they ever let me trade sim with them again? No, I don't think so. I don't know. It's like Lucid. They give you like that max account. They give me an account that I got to pay more money for than a normal sim account, and I got to hit a profit target. See, if I want to trade with Lucid, and I will, I got to buy one of those Lucid Max accounts, and it's like $180 for a 50K. It's a lot. Just can't log in. What about when was the last time you logged in? Joker, has it been a while? Because they did a forced password reset like a week ago. Oh, today? Yeah, I don't know. Then that shit might be having a problem. Let me see if I can get in. I'm in. Also, this is all I could buy. You see this? All I could buy are these fucking max accounts. $180. No discount, too. I don't get a deal or anything. It's like I got penalized for going live and blowing the account. $425 for a 150K max account. I'll pay this though, because I want to go live with them again. But I'm not going to do it yet because I'm in a cooldown. Yeah, no problem, Joker. I'm too good because it's too easy. Oh, yesterday? Yeah, I don't know. I know they did some sort of forced reset. I know that. I already did that though. They made everybody reset their passwords. I think I can buy them. I just can't. It's a one-time fee, so it's not like it's going to expire on me. But then again, I don't know. Because I could get this far in my funded futures. I get to, like, I've tried to buy a my funded futures account because they have these 50% off pro, rapid, or builder accounts right now for a few more days with the best code 0DayJ. And right as I was about to submit my payment information, it said, sorry, you can't do that. So I don't know if the same thing would happen with Lucid. I'm just going to chill. Damn, I can't believe that would have been enough, but whatever. It's fine. Everything's fine, guys. But I'm going to bounce. My wife's about to take my daughter somewhere anyway, so I want to say goodbye to them. Trading stock, yeah. I have to pass that to get put back in live or some shit. I don't even know. Some shit like that. I'll let you know when it happens, though. Yeah, GB, I guess it depends on who you are. I took 35 grand. I took 33 grand and change, right? It's like 33,485 before fees. Then I didn't get a payout for literally almost 4 fucking months. I get my first fucking payout in almost 4 months, literally a week away from 4 months, and I get pushed live. You got in, Joker? All right, cool, man. Good shit. Is it possible to top tick and bottom tick every trade? I mean, the odds are fucking, the odds are fucking against you, but it's doable. I mean, you can. Are you talking about getting top ticked and bottom ticked? Or you doing the top ticking and bottom ticking? More likely than not, the probability of you getting top ticked and bottom ticked on every trade is much higher than you doing it. But anyway, I got to bounce, guys. Smash the like button for Trevor Leconte. I'll be on tomorrow for Power Hour for sure, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. I appreciate you guys for hanging out. Use the best code at Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeday, Lucid, Bullinox, My Fund the Futures, and now Tradeday. And Tradeday, and now Tradeify. Tradeday and Tradeify. 40% off Tradeify. 0DayJ works at all of these firms if you want to support the channel more than you already do. But anyway, guys, I appreciate you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Smash the like button for Trevor Leconte. He was actually here before. Subscribe, all that good shit. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace. Oh, that's not even it.